Fuck them up.
Hey man, status Apparel DC. We're here in DC at the Say Summer Cookout. It's been a good day, it's a lot happening, so it's lit, man, it's lit, it's a lot happening. She put it on for the city. It's Musa from the Hackos podcast, representing Giventry. 123 56 8th Street. Go ahead and pull up on these good folks. Shout out to Big Brother. And shout out to Status Gang already. Man. Shout out to Marseille Martin as well. Cause this shit is nuts. But shout out to everybody that came out. Appreciate y'all. Y'all may have lost a little time to keep y'all safe going. Big Brother, I love seeing you, bro.
You was somebody
Sure, you already know. You already know.
What we doing?
Yeah, bro.
One, two, three. Hand clap. Hand clap.
I think that's her.
Keep clapping.
Popping this first on that till we outside. The goal wasn't guap, making more opportunities than vouching and vouching.